Let's look at a table of values. When we have a pattern like 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, we can see that it's increasing by 3 each term. When I say term, I'm talking about each number in the pattern. So for example, this 3 would be the first term in the pattern. The 6 would be the second term, and the 9 would be the third term, fourth term, and fifth term. You get the idea. We can take that information and put it in a table of value. A table of value usually is in a T-chart, and we'll have the term number, which is going to be on the left-hand side, and our output, which is going to be the pattern. So our first term is going to be 3, because that's the first number in the pattern. Our second term is going to be 6. Our third term is going to be 9. Fourth term, 12. And our fifth term is going to be 15. The numbers in between your output, so we know that it's going up by 3 each term, that's going to be our common difference. And the cool thing about our table of values is we can use that information to make a graph. When we graph a table of values, the term number is always going to be our x, and our output is always going to be the y. So if we had a quick graph here, our term number would go here, and our output would be graphed on that side. Once we plotted our information from our table of values, we'd be able to analyze the data that we collected in a graph instead of just a table. Just a different way of looking at the information.